Here's how you can go about changing the default settings for graphic drivers on games found on your Galaxy A55 smartphone. Now you will need to enable the developer options mode, and of course you can do this if you want to give it a go, and if not, you can just skip this video. So to do this, basically use a quick panel access, tap on the settings icon right here, this one right there. Then once you are in this section here, you want to go to the very bottom, just go all the way down until you see About Phone. Once you enter into About Phone here, you want to go to the part that says Software Information right there. Once in this section here, you're going to look for where it says Build Number. When you see build number, you're going to tap on that 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you'll see it's been enabled. Now, if you have a screen lock set up already on your phone, you'll need to put in that password, PIN, or whatever it is that you have, and then unlock it to enter into developer options. Now, you want to back away until you're back at this screen here, and simply go down and you will see developer options. If you don't see it there, you can also use the search here and type in the words developer. All right, or just develop. And as you start to type it in, you'll see the different ones here, and you're going to go to this one here. Now, once you are here now, this part here, you of course want to make sure this is turned on. Then you want to go down and you're going to go past all these things here. So you're going to see these different categories here. So this is debugging here, and everyone just keep going down and till you see graphics driver right there. Now, once you see it, you're going to see like every app found on your phone that's compatible. And let's just say you have a particular game that you want to do this for. So I haven't done any games with this yet, but just to show you where to go to do this and give it a try. So like Sonic Dash is a game. So you go here and you can choose the default or the system graphics driver. So you can choose between either one of these here if you were looking for something like that there. All right, so that's that for this tutorial. Like and sub. Don't forget to turn off developer options when you're done.